This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to build our retro pencil box. All of our boxes are kind of the same. The only difference is with this pencil one and our 12-inch ruler, you just need to go a little slower. So the thing to keep in mind is that if the center is compressed, don't work the center too quickly. So for all of our boxes, I just sort of put my finger inside, and the first step is to just, can you see how the center wants to stay compressed? So that could potentially be a problem. So the first step is just to go real slow and bend those edges, okay? So that center is still compressed. So if you want to, at this stage, stick something in there. Now that looks great. It's a little bit more full in there. And I'm gonna just, can you see how I'm just gently going like this? So there, now that center is no longer compressed. And at this stage, I can start on one side and just sort of pinch all the way along. So there's that first one. Now I'm gonna come over to here and pinch here, and there, we're done there. Fold, fold. And this is great, you can actually work ahead and do this step way in advance so that all your boxes are ready. And when you're decorating, you have them ready to go. You can just have them all lined up and fill it. So that, and I'm gonna do one more for you. Again, we start with the four corners, here and here, and keep an eye for that center. So I bend here just very gently. Here, I'm gonna see how that center is staying compressed right there. That's what we're gonna keep an eye out for. So on this side, I'm gonna come over here and over here. Again, that center is compressed. So if you force it, that's not good. I stuck a pen in there, and now I can go like this. Okay, and now there's some nice air in there, and that's exactly what we want. So from this stage, this is where I'm gonna start pinching all along one edge only, and then come back to the other side and just start walking towards the other edge. Now our box is built. I'm gonna fold the flaps, fold, 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 and then these can tuck inside. And the last thing I want to mention is that the bag I've used here is a 2.5 by 9, and the loop is our 16-inch yellow. We also have purple, that would be really pretty. Green would be a little bit, it would be more green, so if you like that look, you can go with that too. We have green as well. Thank you for watching our box building tutorial.